Hey guys, in this video we're diving into the world of 3D printing with a review of the Monoprice Voxel. This is a 3D printer that promises to deliver excellent features for both beginners and intermediate users, all at a pretty reasonable price. So whether you are someone just getting into 3D printing or you have been printing for a while, this one might catch your eye. We'll be covering everything from the design, setup, print quality to the features that make this printer stand out. Also, the link to this 3D printer will be included in the video description below. Now let's start with the design and build quality. The Monoprice Voxel has a clean, compact design with a fully enclosed print area. The printer is built with a solid plastic frame and everything feels quite sturdy for the price. The enclosure is a nice touch and it helps with print consistency, especially when you are working with materials that need a stable environment like ABS. The printer also comes with a removable print bed that's heated, which is essential for ensuring prints adhere well and reduce warping. The bed is covered with a textured surface and it does a great job of holding prints in place. This is especially important when you are printing with higher temperature materials, as the adhesion makes a huge difference in print quality. Overall, the build quality is solid for the price point, and the compact design ensures it doesn't take up much space on your desk or workbench. Now, setting up the Monoprice Voxel is pretty straightforward, especially for a printer at this price. The printer comes mostly pre-assembled and you really just have to connect a few parts, like attaching the print bed and plugging in the necessary cables. The process is quick and you won't need to deal with complicated assembly like you might with some do-it-yourself kits. Once everything is plugged in, the touchscreen interface walks you through the initial setup steps, including calibrating the print bed and leveling the printer. This was honestly one of the highlights for me. The out-of-bed leveling feature is super convenient and reduces the hassle of manual leveling, which can sometimes be a headache for beginners. The whole setup took me less than 30 minutes, and that includes running through the bed leveling process. In terms of software, the Monoprice Voxel is compatible with MP Voxel software, which is pretty user-friendly. It's easy to upload files and start printing right from the touchscreen. Now let's talk about print quality. After setting up the printer, I was eager to see how well it performed, and I have to say I was impressed. The Monoprice Voxel delivers consistently high-quality prints for a printer in its price range. First, let's talk about print speed. With standard settings, the Voxel is able to print at a decent speed without sacrificing too much on quality. You'll get around 50 to 60 millimeters per second for most prints, but if you're looking for a higher quality, you can slow it down to get finer details. The print resolution is up to 50 microns, which is fantastic for the price. Even the most detailed prints comes out with sharp lines and clean details. Whether I was printing simple objects or more intricate models, everything came out looking clean and precise. There was very little stringing and layer lines were minimal, which is often an issue with lower-end 3D printers. I also tested the adhesion and warping. The heated bed does a great job of keeping the prints in place, and I didn't encounter any issues with prints lifting or warping. Even on larger objects, the printer's enclosed design definitely helps here by maintaining a consistent temperature around the print area, which is crucial when printing with materials like ABS or PLA. Now, when it comes to materials the Voxel can handle, you got a lot of options. The printer supports PLA, ABS, PETJ, and even some more advanced filaments, like TPU for flexible prints. However, keep in mind that you may need to tweak the print settings a bit depending on the filament type you are using. By the way, prices on this 3D printer update almost weekly with sales and other general price drops, so if you want to find the most updated information, simply check out the video description and you will find the latest prices. And of course, if you find this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Now, if you're concerned about the noise, I was pleasantly surprised to find that the Monoprice Voxel operates quietly. It's not silent, but it's certainly quieter than some other printers I have used in the past. The fans do spin up during printing, but they are not too loud, and it's something you can easily ignore once the print gets going. You can easily leave it running in a room and go about your day without it being too distracting. Now let's take a deeper look at some of the features and extras that make the Monoprice Voxel Voxel stand out in its price range. One of the most notable features is the touchscreen interface. It's really easy to navigate and the responsiveness is excellent. You can control all of the settings right from the screen, including adjusting print speeds, temperatures, and even initiating a print directly from a microSD card or USB stick. If you run out of filament during a print, the sensor will automatically pause the print and notify you to reload the filament. This is a huge time saver, especially when you are in the middle of a long print job. The auto-bed leveling feature, which I mentioned earlier, is something I really appreciate. It makes the process of setting up the printer super easy and ensures that the first layer of your prints sticks perfectly every time. If you have ever struggled with manually leaving a 3D printer, you know how much of a pain it can be, so the auto-leveling is definitely a huge perk for beginners. The removable print bed is also a great feature. It makes removing prints easier and helps avoid any potential damage to your prints or the bed itself. Simply pop the bed off and you can easily detach your prints. And of course, the enclosed print chamber is a nice bonus. It helps with temperature stability, reduces warping, and allows you to print with a wider variety of filaments, including those that require a stable print environment like ABS. When it comes to software, the Monoprice Voxel is compatible with MP Voxel software, which is a solid, straightforward slicer. I personally liked how easy it was to use. You can adjust print settings, load files, and slice your models quickly and efficiently. The software is intuitive even for beginners, and it does a great job of guiding you through the process of preparing your prints. If you are more experienced with 3D printing, you can also use third-party slicers like Cura or Process Slicer, but the included software works fine for most users. The user manual also provides a lot of helpful information, especially if you are just starting out with 3D printing. Now let's talk about the price and whether or not the Monoprice Voxel is worth it. For its price, which usually hovers around the $350 to $400 range, the Voxel delivers incredible value. You're getting a feature-rich printer with high-quality prints and a lot of features you usually find in more expensive models. The auto-bed leveling, touchscreen interface, filament sensor, and enclosed chamber make this a great option for beginners and intermediate users alike. When you compare it to other printers in the same price range, the Monoprice Voxel definitely holds its own. It offers a good balance of performance and ease of use, which is what most users are looking for in a budget-friendly 3D printer. Alright, so after spending some time with the Monoprice Voxel, here's the bottom line. If you're looking for a solid 3D printer that's easy to set up, produces great prints, and offers excellent features at an affordable price, the Voxel is a fantastic option. It's definitely a great choice for beginners thanks to its auto-bed leveling, easy setup, and solid build quality, plus the fact that it can handle a variety of filaments make it a versatile printer for different types of projects. So guys, let me know in the comments, are you planning to pick up this 3D printer? That's it for this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel if this video was helpful, and make sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing on this 3D printer. See you in the next one.